Hello, welcome to my channel. Today's video, I am going to describe about formation Earth in detail. 1. Formation of Earth and the Hadean Eon. Approximately 4.6 billion years ago, our solar system began to take shape. A swirling cloud of gas and dust, known as the solar nebula, began to collapse under its own gravity. As the cloud collapsed, it formed a spinning disk with the Sun at its center. Within this disk, tiny particles collided and stuck together, gradually forming larger objects called planetesimals. One such planetesimal, approximately the size of Mars, collided with Earth in a cataclysmic event known as the Giant Impact. This collision released an enormous amount of energy, melting the surface of the Earth and vaporizing much of its outer layers. The debris from this impact eventually coalesced to form the Moon. The aftermath of the Giant Impact marked the beginning of the Hadean Eon, a tumultuous period in Earth's history. During this time, the surface of the Earth was incredibly hot, with temperatures reaching thousands of degrees Celsius. Intense volcanic activity and frequent asteroid bombardment characterized this period, causing the Earth's surface to remain molten. As the Earth gradually cooled, the surface began to solidify, forming a thin crust. Water vapor released from volcanic activity condensed to form the Earth's first oceans. The Hadean Eon also witnessed the formation of the atmosphere, primarily composed of water vapor, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and other gases released from volcanic eruptions. 2. The Archaean and Proterozoic Eons. After the Hadean Eon, approximately 4 to 2.5 billion years ago, the Archaean Eon commenced. This eon is named after the Greek word, archaeos, meaning ancient, reflecting the early stages of Earth's geological and biological development. During the Archaean Eon, the Earth underwent significant changes. The surface continued to cool, and the crust thickened, leading to the formation of the first continents. These early landmasses were composed of volcanic rocks and sedimentary deposits. In the oceans, life began to emerge. The earliest evidence of life comes from the fossil record in the form of stromatolites, layered structures formed by communities of cyanobacteria. These simple, single-celled organisms played a vital role in shaping the Earth's atmosphere by releasing oxygen as a byproduct of photosynthesis. The gradual accumulation of oxygen in the atmosphere eventually led to the Great Oxygenation Event, around 2.4 billion years ago, which had a profound impact on the evolution of life. As the Archaean Eon progressed, plate tectonics played a crucial role in the geological processes shaping the Earth's surface. Volcanic activity, mountain building, and the cycling of rocks and minerals enriched the diversity of environments and facilitated the development of life. The Archaean Eon transitioned into the Proterozoic Eon, which lasted from approximately 2.5 billion to 541 million years ago. During this eon, Earth experienced several significant events and transformations. One notable development during the Proterozoic Eon was the diversification of life. 3. The Paleozoic Era and the Cambrian explosion. The Paleozoic Era, spanning from approximately 541 to 252 million years ago, was a time of significant biological diversification and geological changes on Earth. One of the most remarkable events during this era is known as the Cambrian explosion. The Cambrian explosion occurred around 541 million years ago and was a period of rapid evolutionary development. It marked the sudden emergence of a wide array of complex multicellular organisms in the oceans. During this time, numerous new body plans and phyla appeared, including arthropods, mollusks, and chordates. The explosion of biodiversity during the Cambrian period was likely facilitated by several factors. These include the availability of new ecological niches, the evolution of predation, the development of hard shells and skeletons, and the rise of complex ecosystems. Early plants, such as mosses and ferns, began to adapt to terrestrial environments. Insects and other arthropods followed, taking advantage of new habitats and resources. During the Devonian period, around 416 to 359 million years ago, fish began to diversify, leading to the emergence of the first tetrapods, four-limbed vertebrates. The Carboniferous period, approximately 359 to 299 million years ago, was characterized by extensive coal-forming swamps and the evolution of early reptiles. The first reptiles were well adapted to terrestrial life, providing a foundation for the subsequent dominance of reptiles during the following era. The Paleozoic Era concluded with the Permian period, around 299 to 252 million years ago. This period witnessed the assembly of the supercontinent Pangaea and the widespread diversification of reptiles, including the emergence of early dinosaurs. However, at the end of the Permian period, a catastrophic event occurred, resulting in the largest mass extinction in Earth's history, known as the Permian-Triassic extinction event. It wiped out approximately 96% of marine species and 70% of terrestrial vertebrate species, marking the end of the Paleozoic Era. The Paleozoic Era was a time of significant evolutionary advancements, with the Cambrian explosion serving as a pivotal point in the diversification of life. It laid the foundation for the subsequent colonization of land by plants and animals and the emergence of new ecological interactions. The era's conclusion with the Permian-Triassic extinction event set the stage for the Mesozoic Era and the rise of dinosaurs and other reptiles. The Mesozoic Era, spanning from approximately 252 to 66 million years ago, is often referred to as the Age of Dinosaurs. It was a time of remarkable geological and biological changes on Earth, marked by the dominance and diversification of these ancient reptiles. The Mesozoic Era is divided into three periods: the Triassic, Jurassic, and Cretaceous. Each period had its unique characteristics and witnessed significant evolutionary developments. The Triassic period, occurring from approximately 252 to 201 million years ago, followed the devastating Permian-Triassic extinction event. During this period, life rebounded and new groups of organisms emerged. Reptiles, including the archosaurs, began to dominate the land, evolving into various forms, including early dinosaurs. The Triassic also saw the emergence of the first mammals, as well as the diversification of marine life. The Jurassic period, spanning from approximately 201 to 145 million years ago, is renowned for its iconic dinosaurs. It was a time when dinosaurs reached their peak diversity and size. Large herbivorous dinosaurs, such as Brachiosaurus and Stegosaurus, roamed the lush landscapes, while fearsome predators like Allosaurus and Tyrannosaurus rex ruled the food chain. The Jurassic also saw the rise of marine reptiles, such as ichthyosaurs and plesiosaurs, as well as the diversification of flying reptiles known as pterosaurs. The Cretaceous period, occurring from approximately 145 to 66 million years ago, witnessed further dinosaur evolution and diversification. It was during this period that some of the most famous dinosaurs, including Triceratops and the enormous long-necked sauropods like Diplodocus, flourished. Birds also evolved from theropod dinosaurs during this time, marking the origin of avian flight. In addition to dinosaurs, the Cretaceous saw the rise of diverse flowering plants, the proliferation of insects, and the emergence of new marine reptiles, such as mosasaurs. However, the Mesozoic Era came to a dramatic end with the Cretaceous-Paleogene extinction event, often referred to as the KT extinction event. This event, which occurred approximately 66 million years ago, resulted in the extinction of dinosaurs and numerous other species. It is widely believed that a large asteroid impact, coupled with volcanic activity and other environmental changes, led to this mass extinction. The Mesozoic Era was a pivotal time in Earth's history, characterized by the dominance of dinosaurs and the emergence of new groups of organisms. It set the stage for the subsequent Cenozoic Era, which saw the rise of mammals and the eventual evolution of humans. The study of the Mesozoic Era and its incredible fossil record continues to provide valuable insights into the evolution of life and the dynamics of our planet's ancient past. 4. The Cenozoic Era and the rise of humans. The Cenozoic Era, spanning from approximately 66 million years ago to the present day, is the most recent geological era and the one in which we currently live. It is characterized by the rise of mammals, including our own species, Homo sapiens. The Cenozoic Era is divided into three major periods: the Paleogene, Neogene, and Quaternary. Each period has its distinctive features and witnessed significant evolutionary and environmental changes. The Paleogene period, lasting from approximately 66 to 23 million years ago, immediately followed the extinction event that wiped out the dinosaurs. During this period, mammals underwent a rapid diversification and expansion into various ecological niches. The Neogene period, extending from approximately 23 to 2.6 million years ago, was marked by further mammalian diversification and the emergence of modern groups. It witnessed the evolution of more advanced primates, including the ancestors of humans. Early hominids, such as Australopithecus and Paranthropus, appeared in Africa during this period. These hominids exhibited upright posture and walked on two legs, a key adaptation that eventually led to the evolution of the human lineage. The Quaternary period, spanning from approximately 2.6 million years ago to the present, is the most recent period of the Cenozoic Era. It is characterized by repeated glaciations and interglacial periods. During this time, the genus Homo emerged, and our species, Homo sapiens, evolved and spread across the globe. Humans developed complex societies, languages, tools, and culture, distinguishing us from other species. Today, as we enter the modern era, humans have become the dominant species on Earth, exerting a significant impact on the planet's ecosystems and resources. We face numerous environmental challenges, including climate change, habitat loss, and species extinction. It is crucial for us to understand and address these challenges to ensure a sustainable future for both ourselves and the diverse array of life that evolved during the Cenozoic Era. The Cenozoic Era provides a wealth of evidence and knowledge about the evolution of life, including our own species. The study of this era allows us to trace our lineage, understand our place in the natural world, and make informed decisions to preserve the planet for future generations. 5. The rise of humans and modern civilization. Over the course of the Cenozoic Era, our ancestors, the early hominids, emerged and evolved. From Australopithecus to Homo erectus, these early humans developed increasingly sophisticated tools and began to exhibit signs of cultural and social behavior. The last few thousand years witnessed the rise of advanced civilizations around the world, such as the Egyptians, Greeks, Romans, and Mayans. These cultures built magnificent cities, developed systems of writing, and made significant advancements in science, mathematics, and art.